When comparing Monday.com versus Zoho projects for CRM integration, it's important to get to the heart of what each platform offers and how they really stack up. Both are popular choices, but there's a clear winner when you look at which one truly supports smooth, efficient CRM integration. Stick around until the end to find out which one you should really be using, and you might be surprised at what you find. Let's start with Monday.com. This software has an incredibly user-friendly interface, and that's something many teams love about it. It offers several integrations with popular CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Pipedrive. Monday's flexibility is solid, but while it integrates with these tools, the level of customization is where it starts to get a bit tricky. Yes, the integration works, but it's not always seamless. For example, syncing data between Monday.com and your CRM can sometimes involve a bit more manual work than you'd expect. For teams looking for deep CRM integration, that's something to keep in mind. Next, Zoho projects. If you're already using Zoho CRM, Zoho projects is probably going to feel like a natural extension for your business. The integration here is definitely smoother, since both are part of the Zoho ecosystem. The CRM syncs automatically with Zoho projects, meaning you don't have to worry about constant updates or lag between your CRM data and project management details. It's a more built-in experience, which is great if you want everything under one roof. However, if you use a CRM outside of the Zoho suite, you might run into some trouble. The integrations with third-party CRMs are not as robust, and that's something to consider if you're running on a different system. Now, let's talk about features beyond just CRM integration. Monday.com offers a high level of customization and is very visually appealing. Its board system is flexible, allowing teams to adapt it to whatever workflow they have. Zoho projects, while also customizable, doesn't offer the same level of visual appeal. The interface is more traditional, which might feel a little outdated compared to Monday's modern look. But in terms of getting things done, Zoho projects is incredibly efficient when it comes to task tracking and timelines. The next thing to consider is automation. Monday.com includes automation features that can help reduce the manual workload, but they can be limiting depending on your plan. You'll need to upgrade to a higher tier to unlock the full potential of automations. Zoho projects, on the other hand, includes automations at every level, which is something that many users appreciate, especially for teams looking for seamless workflows. Then, there's pricing. Monday.com can get pretty expensive, especially for teams that want to scale and unlock all of the CRM integrations and automations. Zoho projects tends to be a little more budget-friendly, especially when you factor in its CRM-centric features. But with Zoho projects, you're paying for a more standard project management experience rather than the highly visual, customizable one Monday.com offers. Finally, after testing both of these systems, I have to be honest. While both Monday.com and Zoho projects offer solid CRM integrations, they come with their own limitations. If you're truly looking for a platform that does CRM integration well and fits a broader set of needs, there's a better alternative out there that I recommend checking out. So, while Monday.com and Zoho projects are solid options, if you want a better solution for CRM integration, one that works seamlessly and offers more value for your team, I suggest taking advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers, and trust me, this tool will help your team streamline your CRM and project management like never before.